Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create animation effect. For that what will I do? I will select an image as background and now I will select another image. Now I will select another image here. The aspect ratio of both the images are different. Let me set it. Now this image I can resize it like this. And to create an animation effect I will go to the animation. For that double click it. There is image color and animation option. Go to the animation option. There are predefined animations. Let's say I select this one and I select it, double click it, it will apply over here and I change position here. Let's play it. If you want to add any other type of animation, you can try. Select the image, click the right button, copy, and here I want to paste it here. But this will also have the same effect. I want to change its effect, click the right button, delete the effect. Now there is no effect. Okay, let me change its size again and I want to apply another effect. Double click, go to animation. Let's say I select this one now. Okay, let's play it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.